Hi there, my name is Hayden Debenedictis. I am from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and this is my computer science internal assessment. So it's an NBA stats leaderboard. So what this does is it lets you input single game player stats. So insert a player name, an image file, minutes played, points, assists, and rebounds, and then it will show up over here. And so you can enter an image file here. We go to where the pictures are stored. This is using the file handler class. I'll go more in depth about that in 1 second. So we've got Steph Curry. So look at Curry. Picture there, name, minutes played. He played 32 minutes last game. Say he put up 28 points. Also picking up 6 assists and 3 rebounds, and enter the stat, and it will show up, and the stats will show up over here. And why it only shows these is because it gets the variables from the text box, and then it creates a list called stats list, and then it adds the stats of points, assists, and rebounds to that list. And then this is the list that will make it appear down here. And then we go back here. And then when you click Save Player, the stats will show up over here. So that way, the name isn't showing up in stats along with the minutes played. So when you create the player class here, it will show off the file, it will save the file, the minutes played, and the players as a parameter, as well as the stats list. We send the whole list through, not just the individual stats. And then we go here to toString, which will show off the player here, the minutes played here, and then it will output the stats here for points, assists, and rebounds. And then you can edit the selected player, and then it'll all show up here. You can hit clear fields, which deletes everything. And then what you can do now is you can open a list. And this is using the file handler class I was talking about. So you go into here, you select a previously made list, and then everything that you previously inputted will show up here. And using the file handler class, you can save things as well, which I could get into. And then you can open files here, so it goes into all your files, and you select the one you want, and then it will show up here. So you can, and then using these features over here, you can search for player stats. So say you can search for a name, you can search for a stat of, say, 23. And then Russell Westbrook would appear. That would be his 23 points. And as I showed, you can edit the player. You can also sort the players. This would just sort them alphabetically. They're already in alphabetical order, but yes. And then you can also delete players from this. So say you want to delete Durant, delete selected player, yes. And then you can enter a new one. So we can enter Durant again. Pictures. Durant, player. Kevin Durant. Minutes played, he played. So he played heavy minutes, 35. But he put up, I think he played more than that. He played 38 minutes. Let's say he put up 55 points. 5 assists. And as well as 5 rebounds. 2 rebounds. So enter that. And then you can also say you made a mistake. You can delete these stats down here. So delete that. Delete that from this list down here. Say he actually put up 6 rebounds. You can enter that, so there we go, and then save that over there. And then just approves, sorts the players here. So in alphabetical order, as I've said, and you can delete players, edit them, and then you can also save the list, as I have shown, to custom office templates, and we'll just call it NBA list, and then save it. And that would be my project. Thank you for watching.